see you. I don't give a fuck with you. I don't give a fuck. Right now. How the fuck am I acting like right now? How the fuck am I acting like a
So you're saying that all y'all niggas are not acting like little bitches?
Nah, you the one acting, nigga. Trying to freeze and hack people on a video game. Like, what points is really gonna
make? I have to say to your ass, it's because you're trying to fucking
look at the group. Okay.
Little
They couldn't fight this. So who the fuck are you and what family are you?
You're some kind of badass over video game kind of. How did you take over?
No, it's key.
How did you take over your whole take over home? How did you take over home?
Did you buy like a blue pump on it? Did you buy like every single one? Get the fuck out of here, bitch.
Man, Killer, you sound like a nerd, dog. For real, bro. You need to shut up. You suck. Shut up. God, dog, man. You sound like a fat nerd that's sit around all day taking PlayStation 3s apart.
Weak ass bitch, for real, dog.
Oh, I guess you're gonna sit there and just shut up now? Not gonna talk to me? That's what a man would do. Yeah, brilliant. It's great. It's fucking awesome. Oh wow, he's hacking us now. He's hacking us. He's hacking us now. Look, he thought. I guess he thought he was the best roaster on a video game. Seriously, I really don't care.
Look, he's mocking me now.
This nigga got floating flowers around his head and shit. Come on, nigga. You can tell that's what kids do. He's a video kid. He wastes his life on a video game, worried about taking over on a video game. How can you possibly take over on a video game? You can't take over on a video game. It don't get you nowhere. It don't do nothing. It don't do nothing though. Yeah, it's still. Come on, Killer.
You little fucking little bitch ass little fat. I'm sitting right here talking shit to y'all niggas for like that past how long? All y'all niggas got roasted.
We got roasted by what? How we get roasted? Roasted is something you eat. If you ain't know it or not, roasted is something you eat. That's something you cook, nigga. It's beef. Roast beef, nigga. What is you talking about? You don't even know what you talking about. Talking about roasted. Roasted us. You can't roast, nigga. You screaming. You scream. Look, he's using his mic, ain't saying nothing.
It's over, nigga.
What? How is it over? How is it over? You
still? All y'all niggas shit. All y'all niggas are whack as fuck.
Okay, and the point is, who cares about you having that information?
Who the fuck you are? You're a random motherfucker.
We random? Oh, okay. So now that you in Notorious Red Mobsters, we anonymous peoples to you. But when you was URN Killer, you remembered everybody, huh? You remembered us? Come on now. You sound pathetic, my nigga. You sound like a little fat nerd or kid, my nigga. And sit around and play with jelly donuts and shit, nigga. Get out of here. You weak, nigga. And nobody cares about you hacking or reporting or doing whatever you gotta do to us, my nigga. Cause you suck. You suck. Yes, you suck.
What the fuck is wrong with you, cuz?
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Why is you worried about freezing and hacking us on a video game? Like really? Like really? Yeah, thank you, cuz. Yeah, thank you. You can call me cuz. That's what Crips. That's how Crips identify each other, nigga. That's Gucci. That's Gucci. Call me cuz, nigga. Respect me, nigga. You respecting me, nigga. Why you yelling? Why is you yelling? Calm down, man. Calm down, man. I don't want you to have a heart attack in this group, dog. Just take it easy, dog. Just chill. Why is you yelling? He about to cry, nigga. You a grown man and you about to cry. You a grown up and you about to cry in group, nigga. Come on. He thought he was gonna roast us, nigga? Come on. And don't say you got jumped, nigga. Because you said you could take two of us.
You just talking about my dick right now? You just couldn't get it, huh? You talking about my dick now.
You were talking about
this nigga.
You guys want to talk about it? You guys about
this nigga yelling. Check out him yell, y'all.
Yeah, when you just try to describe my penis.
Why is
You
you?
just
My
literally
nigga, you
tried
Asian.
to describe
Everyone
my
knows that,
penis.
nigga. Everyone's known that Asian has a fucking
Okay,
small dick
okay.
and have a big ass butt, nigga. Everyone knows that shit. What do you mean it's fucking gay, nigga? Everyone knows that shit.
Japanese
fucking
and Chinese. So
Shut
I'm
your
not
bitch ass
Japanese,
up,
nor I'm
nigga.
Chinese. I'm Southeast Asian. Asian is the biggest continent in the world. There's like millions of fucking countries in it. Are you
the
serious?
same shit. Asian's the same
Oh, so you're
shit.
saying,
Calm
okay,
down.
you sound
Calm
ignorant.
down.
This nigga trying to say that I'm ignorant coming in the group, that I'm ignorant trying to talk shit, but
Yeah,
he said
yeah,
all
yeah.
Asians
Oh, he
are
yelling.
Asian.
Why is you yelling? Killer, shut up. Just chill, yo. It ain't that serious, yo. It's a video game. You ain't gotta scream. Chill out. You ain't gotta yell, bruh. For real. Why you yelling? Why is you yelling? Why is you yelling at us? Ain't no killer, you did, you know, killer. No, killer, you didn't, you didn't.
Why you bitching?
No.
You just mad because you just mad because you spend your time on your video game trying to expose someone when you sound like a fucking nerd trying to argue over a video game. You sound like a big video
when you
game
type in
nerd.
and your bitch ass nigga over there repeating himself
Listen up,
over
listen
and
up,
over
listen up.
again.
This is
Come on, nigga, you got roast. You roasted, dog. You got roast by a girl. You getting roast by Chris. You got roast by Shorty. You got roast by everybody, my nigga. You suck. You weak. You weak. You yelling. You screaming. Why is you screaming? He's screaming so loud, my nigga. He probably gonna catch lockjaw from screaming so much, nigga. Come on. You sound like a pregnant girl that's in labor right now, nigga. For real, nigga. Come on, get for real, nigga. We kids. You say we kids, but you try to force me to join your clan, nigga. You just be BRM. You'll be Blue Notorious Mafias. Whatever, yeah. You don't have to worry, cause if you don't join, then you're about to see what's gonna happen. They don't call me killer for nothing. Just for the news record, nigga. Just because you got a gun, nigga, they ain't stop making guns. They got a million more, nigga. Trust me, nigga. You ever bring it to my neighborhood, nigga, and I promise you, nigga, I'll show you better than I can tell you, nigga. And that's on everything I love, nigga. For real, nigga. For real. Come on. He getting quiet. Now he wanna report? What, you gonna report us? Come on, what we do? We ain't do nothing that wrong to report, nigga. Come on. Nigga quiet. This nigga quiet in group, nigga. Out there talking about no one roast him, nigga. You screaming like a little faggot, nigga. You fat, nigga. Come on, get off your video game, nigga. You stay on your video game all the time, nigga, so you can learn how to do stuff like that, nigga. Niggas don't care about you freezing and hacking their account, nigga. It's a video game. I make a new account. If that don't work, I buy a brand new PlayStation 3, nigga. So come on.
What is he trying to do? Trying to freeze up PS3? Look, you're trying to get
Nah, he probably report.
He like you're gonna come down my neighborhood.
I'm from Georgia. Yeah, I'm from Georgia. Yeah, and still, yeah, he ain't gonna never show. Talking about what he gonna do. They don't call me killer for nothing, nigga. Nobody don't care cause they call you killer, nigga. I know a nigga in my neighborhood they call killer, nigga. And he a real killer. Truck, check that out, nigga. You chump skate, nigga. Get out of here. You yelling like a little faggot. You little gay prostitute, nigga.
Hey, I guarantee you this motherfucker will not make it through my hood, nigga. I guarantee you this little...
This nigga won't even make it to the stop sign to get into my hood, nigga. You stop at the stop sign, I guarantee you a little 13-year-old will rob you, nigga. Come on, nigga. I stay in a thugged out neighbor, nigga, if you ain't know. Got some thug neighbors.
No. This nigga, listen, check this out. This nigga has no life. He needs to fucking express himself to be a badass on a video game, trying to be like a fucking thug video game.
Come on, this nigga is
Are you okay with Mac? You can't wait
Look.
for 5 seconds.
He came back and went to yelling and screaming.
What is roasting?
There it goes again.
What is roasting?
5 seconds. Let me like these last numbers now.
Explain yourself, nigga. Explain.
Check it and respect it, yo. You just got roast for real, nigga.
So what the?
You little faggot. With your weak hacking skills, nigga. Come on, get out of here, nigga. The fuck? I'm gonna hack you guys if you don't join. Notorious Mobsters.
So we're supposed to be scared over a video game?
Not me, yo. He say, He say he gonna report. He say he gonna hack me every time he see me, yo. He gonna report. He gonna hack me every time he see me. But he had to still this nigga in group quiet. He on shut up mode, nigga. And I don't care if you record, nigga, cause I can record too, nigga. And by the way, nigga, you is being recorded, you faggot. You little faggot. Come on, nigga. You scream. You screaming, nigga. No. Actually, you didn't run me out the group, nigga. I logged off and logged back on, nigga. You did not log me off, so don't go there and lie and say you logged me off. Nigga, I switched my TVs, nigga, so you didn't. I don't care. I really don't care what you got to do. Like I told you before, I don't care. Do what you do. But watch my shoes. I'm still here. You didn't freeze me yet, so shut up. You failed, and you're going on YouTube because you're a faggot. So what, nigga?